Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this like a huge package. So let's open it now. Okay, so let's check what we have inside. Okay, so here this is nothing a package, and here we have another packing. So let's quickly open this. So let's open this. So inside we have two package. You can see one is small and one is big. So let's open the big one first. Okay, here we go. Inside we have, you can see clearly, 1947 1 rupee coin of British India, the last British Indian coin. So I think I have purchased 63 quantity, I mean 63 piece coins. So without wasting any time, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Okay, so let's I we got 63 coins, so the count is also correct. So let it be aside, and let's open this small package. So let's open. You can see all the coins are princely state coins. So total we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So total we have 31 coins. So that's all for this video. We have 63 1 rupee of 1947 and few princely state copper coins. So that's all. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Hit the like button.